In summing up, Rashi provides us with two options for the tzohar that Noach was to make for the teva. One, a chalon, to allow light to enter from the outside, and two, an even tova that generated light from within. It was noted that the Chumash word tzohar is in the singular. Carry through to the Rashi, a single chalon and a single even tova. And on this basis, we asked how it was technically possible for either the chalon or the even tova to provide sufficient illumination for an area the size of 6 or 7 blocks of land. The question becomes more focused when we take into consideration the fact that the teva had 3 levels, and within each of the levels there were individual cubicles, and therefore a single chalon or even tova would not be adequate to provide for illumination to those inside the teva. We then looked at the fact that Rashi provides us with 2 options for tzohar. A short digression took us to a clarification of the multiple options rule as it is applied to Rashi, and based upon that rule we asked a series of questions. 1. What is the deficiency with the first option, chalon, for which we need a second option, even tova? Similarly, why is the even tova option not adequate? And thirdly, why is the chalon option more aligned with the pshuta shel mikra than the even tova option? And finally, we revisited the multiple options rule that established that if there is a third option that satisfactorily responds to the overall textual difficulty, Rashi does present that third option, even though that option may be the least aligned with the pshuta shel mikra. The Chizkuni suggests that the tzohar that is referred to in the pasuk is linked to the word yitzhar, oil, and God informs Noach that he was to prepare oil so as to illuminate the teva during the days of the Mabul. According to the multiple options rule, Rashi should at the very least made reference to the tzohar yitzhar option.